Welcome back. My name is Carla Calderon, and today I'm showing you guys how to personalize your Bitmoji. All you need is three different apps and obviously your phone. Are you all ready? Here we go. All right, you guys, so this is what we're going to recreate, but you need these three apps, which is the Bitmoji, background eraser, and PicsArt. Right now I'm going to Google so that way I can search this image, which is Dino VipKid PNG. It has to be PNG because it has a clear background. And then I'm just selecting the image so that way I can download it. And right now you're going to see that it's asking me to download again. Yes, because I had to do it so that way I could model this for you guys. And then now that it's saved to my phone, I'm going to Bitmoji and I'm going to click on the shirt and I'm going to scroll down until I find the shirts that say Bitmoji. And see, there is that orange one that I already have selected. And then also I use this blue one here for DaDa, which I'm going to show you how to do that one after, but right now we're going to do VIP first. And then basically I just click on the little magnifying glass so that way I use you the best, because that's the best one that I think it's cute. I don't know, you guys can pick whichever you want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll all the way until I find the word save, and then that will save it automatically to my phone. So now I'm going to PicsArt and I'm clicking on the plus sign. I'm going to click on all photos, and then there it is that one right there that we just saved on the phone. Now I'm just scrolling until I find the word draw, and then I'm clicking on the brush, and then on the corner here there is a black, it says, see it? So I clicked on that and I'm going to click on the dropper, and then see, I can pick any color that I want, but I'm going to pick this orange one from the shirt so that way I can just take off that emoji. But before, I'm going to select this type of brush because I'm trying to make it as thin as I can and small. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take off this emoji with the brush. Instead of erasing it, I'm actually like coloring in the emoji. So now be very careful, especially around the hair area, because otherwise you will like take it off. And there we go. So see, now I have an orange shirt. Now I'm going to scroll again and I'm going to look for add photo. And this is the reason that we need a PNG, which is a clear background. So I'm getting the dino and I'm just going to resize this and then just kind of tilt it a little bit so that way it fits and then it looks like it's a shirt. It's part of the shirt. And so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to zoom in. So see, there it is. And I'm just trying to put it right in the middle so that it fits correctly. Okay, we're not done yet. I'm going to click on the check mark and then the next button so that way I can save it into my phone. There we go. Now that it's saved into my phone, I'm going to the background eraser. I'm going to click on load photo and I'm going to look for the picture that we just created, which is that last one, that top one right there. See, now I'm going to crop the image as much as I can so that way I don't have to erase all around it. Now you will see that there is like on the corners, you're going to see some of the letters are still on there. So you are going to click on the eraser and I'm just going to erase it little by little, just being careful. Try not to miss any spots. And in the case that you make a mistake, like I'm about to do one here just to show you, like watch this, then you have this arrow to go back, okay? So don't freak out. Okay, and to make this easier and faster, I can click now on auto, which is the star, and then it takes the background right away. And then I'm zooming in so I can get this area between my hair, or I'm sorry, the Bitmoji hair and the arm, so that way it removes that white stuff. And basically that's it, you guys. It is super easy, huh? Now all I'm going to do is just making sure that there's no background left. Everything has been erased, there's no white around it. And I just click on the check mark and I'm going to save it to my phone. And there it is. Now I'm going to show you all the final product. I'm going to my gallery. And it should be saved into the eraser album, and there it is. That's the one that we just created. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do it for DaDa. So if you are a DaDa teacher, then I recommend you to watch the first part, which is the VipKid one, because on this one I just pretty much fast play it because I didn't want to make this video so long. It is basically the same thing, so I have it all fast play, but I'm not giving any instructions. So if you are a person that is a visual, then this will be for you. But if you are a person that likes to actually have a visual and then listen to instructions, then I will recommend you to go back to the first part of the video in which I'm doing the VipKid one, okay? I'm sorry, but I just didn't want to redo this all again when it's exactly the same steps. So I hope you guys understand. And I mean, this is super easy. If you really need me to do another video which is just for DaDa teachers, then let me know and then I'll just create one just for you guys. But at this point I feel it's pretty self-explanatory, so, and it's pretty quick, so if anything, let me know. And well, this is it. This is basically all you have to do to make your own version of Bitmojis, or actually your modified version. I hope you all liked it. If you were wondering what phone I used, it was the Galaxy Note, which I love. I love my phone. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.